Ito na ang part. So bali ang sinisimbolo ng eksena ng ito ay si Queen naghahangad na magandang future, kaya gusto niya magsuot ng wedding dress para i-imagine yung sarili niya na may future na magkakapamilya, magkakaasawa. Kaso hinahangad isang Olivia eh. Di maganda pagkatiwalaan. Ang ganda ng background music, ang galing pumili ng Third Time Films.
Sarai!
Pero hindi si Sarai, it's Bey.
Why are
Do you
you...
want to sit?
You wanna sit? Gusto niya nang tapusin ang pagdudusa ng naghihingalong aso, which is Queen. Tatapusin niya na ang non-existent na relasyon niyo.
So, your mom's wedding dress.
Yep.
Why do you have it?
Sagot ni Bruno Mars sa tanong mo, Olivia. I think she wants to marry you.
She's not really, you know, around anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry. Please don't.
Totoo. Please don't. Sometimes kailangan mo lang makiramay at makinig.
Well, do you ever think you'd wear something like that again?
Tinatanong pa ba yan?
Like, with you?
No.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh, no. Tapos na maglaro si Olivia.
You ever used to watch movies under your bed sheets at night?
Like, gay ones?
Yeah, like gay ones.
Nag-come out na din si Olivia. Come out! Come out!
We'll be different.
I never wanted to be different.
Hindi na gustong maiba kasi hindi siya tulad yung GSA na pinagmamalaki lagi na naiiba ako kasi bading ako. At dito na-realize ni Queen na tama si Sarai.
Expect what?
Exactly, hot girls lang si Olivia tsaka cheerleader. Anong inaasahan sa kanya ng mga tao? Hindi naman siya sikat o popular.
See ya!
Oh, but you won't. Di mo na siya masisiya.
Hola, mi vida. How was your afternoon?
It was good. Just hung out with a friend.
What friend?
His name's Grant Fleming.
Ah, who is Grant Fleming?
Just a friend.
Tu novio?
No. No.
Oh. I was excited.
LMFAO, teenager pa lang si Sarai. Yung nanay niya, sabik na may nakikilalang lalaki anak niya. Kala mo wala nang panahon para jowa.
Mom? No
Sarai
quiero
be
novio.
like, I'm about to end your entire career.
What?
Quiero una novia. Soy gay. I'm gay.
What will the relatives say?
I don't care.
Yes, sino may pake sa kamag-anak? Kadalasan niya mga douchebag.
Get dressed. We're going to church.
Yes, lahat malulutas ni Jesus kahit kabaklaan. Hindi na siya basta Diyos ngayon. He is a straight promoter. You all should bow to the Jesus.
Hey.
Ginawa ulit nila yung katulad sa school pictures intro. Pinaka-gay na naman si Cohen, siya na naman nahuli.
You think I'll get kicked out for the swearing or just the fact that I'm Jewish?
That's racist!
Well, if they can, you're the first to go.
See, chronological order.
Mean. Can we stop kneeling now?
Patakaran ba talaga sa church yun? Kailangan nakaluhod?
Gender was created by the CIA.
Tingnan mo mukha ni Bede. Mukhang iritang-irita.
You know what? Mommy issues, daddy issues. Maybe someday when we get rid of gender, we're all just gonna have issues, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
No! Hey, do you wanna go dance?
Alright, but like 2 feet apart. Nothing weird.
Yee! Gumawa lang unang hakbang si Bada para maging sila ni Cohen. Ayun na ang part. Maghintay sa final reaction.